अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारे पास, रिजॉल्व इनटू पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस। सो क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 1 ओवर x माइनस 1 स्क्वायर माइनस इंटू x माइनस 2। सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट विल वी डू इज सिंपली वी ब्रेक दिस फ्रैक्शन इनटू partial fractions like this: a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 square plus c over x minus 2. Now multiply both sides by x minus 1 square into x minus 2. We get x square minus 6 plus 1 into a into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. From here we can get x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 2, we get b is equal to 1. Now from x minus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 2. Now put value of x is equal to 2 in equation 2, we get c is equal to minus 1. Now x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a into 3 x square minus x plus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x square plus 1 minus 2x. So after simplifying, we can get x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to a plus c, x square minus 3a minus b plus 2c into x plus 2a minus 2b plus c. Comparing coefficients of x square x and x square on both sides, we get 1 is equal to a plus c and 1 is equal to a minus 1. So a is equal to 2. Now we get the values of a, b and c. Put in the equation 1, we get x square minus x plus 1 over x square minus 1 square into x minus 2 is equal to 2 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 square minus 1 over x minus 2. So question number 1 which complete. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.